Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing the battery. This prevents shorts. Next, eject the SD card and visually inspect the slot and card for debris or bent contacts. Use a bright light and a 10x loop if you have one. This reveals oxidation or foreign particles. Once done, organize screws by location, front, back hinge, so reassembly is exact. Make sure to wear an anti-static wrist strap or touch grounded metal frequently to avoid damaging components. You now open the back cover and remove shielding to access the SD reader assembly. Work slowly and keep screws labeled. Carefully flip the ZIF latch and slide out ribbon cables. This prevents connector damage. Once the reader board is exposed, check solder joints and the spring-loaded contacts for wear or debris and test the spring tension. Weak springs need replacement. If a micro-solder repair is required, desolder with a fine tip iron and add fresh flux to restore reliable contact. You perform repairs by reflowing cracked joints or replacing the reader. Use a low-temperature solder and apply heat briefly to avoid board damage. Reassemble carefully, reconnect ribbons, reinstall the battery, and insert the SD card to boot. Make sure the system recognizes the card and that games load reliably. This confirms contact integrity. If it fails, test with a known good SD and adapter, reseat the ribbon, and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol. These steps catch the most common lingering faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.